Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey to the sun-soaked shores of the Maldives as we explore the top 5 best-rated resorts according to Google reviews. Let's dive into these paradises that promise unforgettable experiences and exceptional hospitality. Herit and Sara. Embark on a 40-minute scenic seaplane nestled in the picturesque Atoll. This premium all-inclusive resort is your gateway to the ultimate getaway, boasting an impressive array of dining options by award-winning chefs and opportunities to explore both over- and underwater marvels of the Atoll. Movenpick Resort Herit Maldives. Discover the pristine sanctuary of this hotel, nestled in the untouched Atoll. Just 45 minutes north of Maldives International Airport, awaken your senses in this 5-star luxury ocean resort. Every one of the 72 overwater pool villas, 30 beach pool villas, and 3 3-bedroom beach pool residences features its own private plunge pool with ocean views, offering a slice of paradise. Pullman Maldives Mamuda. Experience luxury without limits at this hotel, an all-inclusive haven where elegance meets adventure. Located on Mamuda Island within the Gafu Alifu Atoll, this resort is designed for those looking to elevate their vacation. Enjoy exclusive perks and extend your horizons in a setting that's not just a resort, but a playground for the spirited and the adventurous. Cinnamon Donvalley Maldives. Step into a world of unrivaled hospitality at this hotel, where every stay is tailored to provide an exceptional experience. From the serene bungalows to luxurious suites and rooms, each setting is designed to enhance your comfort and enjoyment. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or a festive celebration, our accommodations ensure a unique and immersive stay amidst the breathtaking beauty of Maldives. Atoll Prestige View. Begin your journey to the South Maldives Atoll with a scenic 15-minute speedboat ride. Nestled on a captivating island, this resort combines rich foliage with turquoise waters and white sandy shores, creating the perfect backdrop for your secluded escape. Enjoy bespoke amenities with personalized butler service and direct sea access from your villa to swim alongside vibrant fish and reef sharks. That wraps up our resort of the top 5 Maldives resorts as rated by travelers like you on Google. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more amazing travel content. Until next time, keep dreaming of your next incredible vacation.